this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus TX235 using adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10. After you disable all of your antivirus, you can download this resetter. We put link into the description. After that, you can just right click and then choose extract here on resetter files. Then open the resetter folder and double click in adjustment program. Click accept for license. Then select particular adjustment mode and choose washing pad counter and click OK. Please click on the main pad counter option, then click button check. The last, you can click button initialization. If you encounter an error in here, you can repeat the last step. Then you can click finish and you can turn off your printer and then you can turn back your printer on. That's all.